Need some inspiration for a backyard makeover? Watch today's video and we'll show you our yard transformation.
Our old backyard was 20-something years old, and we decided to spruce it up, and we decided to also go with metal. That way we don't have to have future repairs as the wood dries out and it gets loose or it rots. We're good to go. Now we put in a pressure-treated 4x4s and all steel panels, so I think we're good.
We're great, yeah. So there's you can see in the video, we live in northern Arizona and it was hot, it was cold, it was windy. So we have a lot of weather that we had to go with, but I hope you enjoyed today's video and we thank you so much for watching DIY on the House. we're ready for some spring parties. If you have any questions on your projects, comment down below, and we'd love to get back to you. So thanks so much again for watching DIY on the House.